Fair and lovely Annie, your gentle ways have won me. You bring peace and joy and laughter everywhere. Oh, where you go, the sunshine follows. You're a breath of spring in winter, and my heart and soul are always in your care. Gentle Annie, gentle Annie, my heart and soul are always in your care. You're my flower among the flowers, you're the bird song in the morning, you're the laughter of the children at their play. You're my hope and joy and wisdom, you're my reason just for living. You're my treasure, you're my very night and day. Gentle Annie, gentle Annie, you're my treasure, you're my very night and day. Oh, when the mountains all come tumbling and the earth has stopped its turning, when the winds don't blow and the stars refuse to shine, oh, when the moon has left the heavens and the seven seas are empty, I will still have gentle Annie on my mind. Gentle Annie, gentle Annie, I will still have gentle Annie on my mind. Gentle Annie, gentle Annie, I will still have gentle Annie on my mind.